Hey everybody, how are you? I want to show you what I made for everyone. I am going to put these in the file of my Facebook group at Donna, Powered by Creativity, on my Facebook, and it'll be in those files. I'm going to be working on a Google file share that all these files will be in it. Because I think what I'm going to do is this. I want to try to make cards that anyone can do. So that if you don't have stamps, if you don't have certain things, you can use the base of the cards I make you with whatever color cardstock or pre-made card you have, with any embellishment that you already have in your stash. That's my goal. So these just happen to be from the Michael's Racing More there, Hot Buy. But I think what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to grab just a piece of, hold on, 8.5 by 11. This way, I know everybody's got 8.5 by 11. And to make an A2 card, we're going to cut this right in half. And I made these to open this way. So since this is the 11-inch side, I'm just going to cut that at 5.5. Let me just cut that at 5.5. So now I can make 2 cards out of this with you. Then I'm going to bring in my scoreboard. And I want to score these in the middle. Now, if you don't have a scoreboard, just fold them in half. So since these are 8.5, these would be 4.25, where you put your score mark. Okay? 4.25. Then fold it in half and burnish it. Same thing with this one, okay? Let's bring it in just a little. How's that? So we have 2 card bases for this. Now, I'm going to include these 2 in the file. So let's start with this one. The one that already has the frame. Now I made these in my print shop. They don't belong to anyone but me. And what I did was this. I made these in print shop. It's just an ordinary font. That anyone can use. So feel free to give it away, share it on your pages, whatever. This doesn't belong to somebody. It's not copyrighted. So use it. Share it. Now you have a choice. You can cut the black frame off or leave it on. So on this one, what I'll do is I will leave it on. And I'm going to just trim that bottom just a little bit more. Now, I'm going to trim that because my cutter didn't work very nicely. See how there's a little strip of white left? I'm just going to trim that away. How cute is that, right? Trim that up just a tad little more. And we're done. So how cute is the base of this? Look at how cute. Already made. So like I said, if you don't have a stamp or you're not into your print shop program, look at what I made for you. All you have to do is have a printer and take the file that I created and print it. And with that file, you get 4 cards. This is just the beginning, I think, of many. let's do this. Let's take this and stick it down. How stinking cute is that? Right? Now, from here on, you can decorate it any way your heart desires. Any way. You can add any embellishment you want. What I think I want to do is, right now, in between each one of these letters, happy, I want to put some bling. So I'm going to go to my bling box. Oh, goodness. And I want to pick out a bling that would kind of stand out on that purple. And I actually have some pretty hearts that came from these. I'm wrecking the house. These hearts came from, I do believe, Dollar General after Valentine's Day for silly money. I'm talking, I think, 10 cents. And how perfect is that shape? That size. Yay! Alright, so you go to your stash, find what you want, find what you have. I don't know where my little tweezers are. So I'm going to pull this off, and then I'm going to stick it down. Try not to put my fingers on it too much, because then that takes away the stickiness. How cute! How stinking cute. My fingers are dirty because I just put a log on the fire. Alright, so let's bring that in closer. So I'll take my next heart, and I will put it right there. Line it up as best I can and push it down. Look at how sweet! Using what we have. That's it. That's what this is all about. Sorry, guys. Look at how stinking cute. I'm happy. Look at that. I want to raise that up just a tad if I can. Straighten that out. Sorry, let's get into frame. Happy Mother's Day. Alright, now let's think about what else we can add to this. Let me think. Alright, so I just grabbed my washi tape, and I'm kind of liking these because they look like they would match very, very nicely. So this is what I'm thinking. Let's put a strip of washi tape down. I'll line it up so that it's straight. I will run it across. And then I'm going to grab my knife and my ruler, and I'm gently just going to trim just the washi tape. And I ruined it. Wow. Did you see what just happened there? How sad is that? How stinking sad. Let's see if we can color that in. Quick fix. Look at that. Look at that. Quick fix. Wow. Gotta think quick when you're designing something, right? That was pretty scary. But how cute! Aside from the little problem, I want to find a sticker that would kind of match this. So, this is Disney. Here we go. Look at these cute hearts. These hearts match. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to line up center and keep it the heart theme. But I want only the ones that match. I'm going to put one at the end. And then I am going to pick that one. I'm going to go to the other end. And I don't know, how will that look? Oh yeah, we will do that. See how I did that? I started with the middle, and I went to the two ends, and then I went to the center of those just to come up with evenness. And there is card number 1 on the fly. All with the cutout that I gave you. Right? How sweet is that? Let's move on to card number 2. So I'll move these over. Let's see what we can come up with. Maybe we'll stick to a black and white theme on this one. So I'm going to cut this out, and I'm going to leave the border on this. Just because I think it would be nice. And Mother's Day is coming, so you know what? We all need a card or two. But for me, I need more, because I give it to the girls, and I give it to my sister, I give it to my mother-in-law. So I think I want to stick, I know we cut out another one, but I think I want to stick to the black and white theme. So I'm going to grab white, piece of white. I'm going to grab a piece of white. And I'm just going to cut that in half like we did already. So I'm going to put it at the 5.5 mark, and I'm going to cut it out. And you know what? For the sake of the video, I will not score it. I will just fold it over, and I will fold. And now I'm going to layer this on top of it. And now this gives you a look of multiple layers, even though it's not. How great is that, right? So even if you don't have stamps or the latest font or whatever, you have it. I will help you. There's something that you need or want or designed. You know what? Give me a shout out. Maybe I can do it for you. See, I did these two opposites so they can make two different cards. So if we're going to stick with the black and white theme, let me find my black and white washi. And we have plenty. So with the black and white washi, what I'm thinking is, this. Ooh, hold on one second. I am thinking, this is actually very cool. And we have hearts. We have flowers. Thank you. I have polka dots. It says with love, with love. Ooh, that's pretty nice. We got some hearts. Ooh, we might have to stick with the heart theme. Let's stick with the heart theme. What do we have to lose? Okay, sorry, I finished this without you. My son walked through the door, so I had to stop, and then as he was talking, I just kept working out of habit. So these are the 2 cards out of the 4 that we can make. So that will be today's video. I will finish the other 2 cards with you tomorrow. All right, I hope you enjoy this. Have a great day. Have a blessed day. Please hit that subscribe button. Hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment. All right, everybody. See you real soon. Bye.